Welcome back to the channel. I lost my button because I've been moving and stuff, but we got, well, as you can tell by the title and thumbnail, we got a steering wheel cover. Yeah, obviously because the stock one is just faded plastic. Kind of tell right there a little bit, and it doesn't feel that great. And then yeah, so we got it from East Detailing wheel covers. I got the carbon one with the 12 o'clock ring in the middle part. So yeah, let's check it out. So let's see what we got inside. Don't mind the soda and the keys and stuff. Alright, yeah, that's it. Alright, so we got instructions, obviously. Let's see, needle, thread, double-sided tape. Ooh, even a thing for your thumb. Some string, and the actual cover itself. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, there's a 12 o'clock thing. Okay, so basically you put it over, figure out which way is front. Okay, never mind, it's just right there. F front, B is for back, so like that. So, hold on, let me try this. Okay, this works better. I got two hands now. Let's see, so that'll be right on the top. I'm guessing line it up to the center of the steering wheel. Oh, the H emblem. This goes over here. Oh, nice. Those little flap goes over here. I know you have to tuck it in, so that might be an issue right there. I don't know if you can tell. It's pretty tight. Might have to separate that. Let's see, just trying to get this over here down towards the bottom. Obviously it's going to be a little tight, so it'll be nice and snug. So this part might be a little trickier, but yeah, I don't know if you could tell, this is the carbon. Let's see, open up the top here. Yeah, this is the carbon. And I got, what was it, Alcantara, I think it was, or suede. Can't even tell them apart. But yeah, according to the instructions, all the different sewing methods. I'll just go with the easiest one, because it already has the lines on the side, which is the actual black thread. You could choose what color thread you want too when you order it. Okay, so that's that. Oh, okay, there we go. Dismount, okay. Need double-sided tape, put it close to the, well, not too close to the edge. Put it up and over. Let's do the top and the bottom. Look in the side. Start to go from the bottom. Oh, okay, so open the bottom to the top. Doesn't seem too bad, so let's see how long it's taking. It is 10:53, okay, 10:54 in the morning, so yeah, let's go. It got kind of late, I had to go to work, but I was able to stitch up the bottom left, bottom, and the bottom right. I still gotta do the top. It's still a little flimsy and stuff. It should be fine though, because it's like double-sided tape. But I do need to burn the end of the stitchings over here on the sides. So I'm gonna go to the gas station real quick, get a lighter and a drink for the trip. Now we're good to go. The next day. Alright, here's day 2, because I didn't have enough time. So I'm going to finish off this right here. And you can tell that it came out pretty good. It's not too bad. I did mess up a little bit right here because I didn't have enough strength. But made it work. Doesn't look too bad, right? On the carbon fiber. But yeah, I basically did half, 1, 2, and 3, and then I'm gonna finish out the top. It's all flimsy and stuff, but yeah, I'll take care of that. Hopefully, like these parts right here, they get together pretty good. So yeah, here we go. And just like that, it's all done. Got all the stitching done over here. It's a little bit open here, but not too bad. And yeah, it fit pretty snug too. You can tell right there. I was worried about that, but it worked out and it looks pretty good. Maybe got a little carbon emblem. Doesn't fit exactly. I just noticed it's a little bit off, but don't tell anybody, so we're good. And then yeah, that's it. So it's nice. It looks really good in the sun, actually. Very nice. So if you want to get yours, remember, link in the description, and use the code. There's a code in there, so you can get I think it was 10% off, or 10 bucks, or something with a 10, I think. Either way, check it out, it's down there. And then yeah, comment below how you like it. It's actually pretty comfortable, pretty nice. It's really soft. It is Alcantara carbon fiber with yellow leather 12 o'clock thing marker. But yeah, all I got left is just maybe get a Sharpie to either color this in or actually replace the whole thing. And that should be good. I gotta look into the shifter now, but it's not too bad for what it is. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment how you like it, or what color you would get, or what color combination. And yeah, thanks.